Hi everyone, my name is Syndi, a mom, a wife, and my family loves adventures. Join us as we bring you all with us on our blissful life of many adventures and fun. Three, two, one. Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of The Blissful Wonder. And for today's episode, we're bringing you all with us to an ongoing event at the Telus World of Science in Edmonton. It's an exhibition of these Marvel characters, the superheroes Canadian premiere exhibition. So it's still ongoing. It started last October 19, 2019, and it's still ongoing until the 17th of February. We've learned about this because they were invited to an event in our little town of Jasper for our Dark Sky Festival that happened October 16 to the 25th. So they were invited. They brought a little bit of something to offer for a little town, and so a little bit of a clips will be showing to you after this, and then we head down to the Telus World of Science. And just so you all know, Jasper is one of the 17 designated dark sky preserved in Canada, and we are the second largest dark sky preserve. So what is a dark sky preserve? The town of Jasper is trying to eliminate light pollution. So if you are a stargazer fanatics, then it's nice for you guys to visit our little town of Jasper, as we have tried to eliminate light pollutions for you guys to appreciate stargazing. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please like and subscribe, and let's go.
Dada. Yay!
It's following your hands wherever it goes. The light will follow your hands.
We're in Telus, Sanford, here in Jasper, Alberta. Hey, come on! Before they keep it.
Before they keep it. Once they keep it, no one.
You wanna try it too, Mikkel? Oh, you tried it earlier?
There's something special going on here. So welcome again to the Jasper Dark Sky Festival. I'm with the Telus World of Science Edmonton. My name's Frank. We're inside the building. We'll be in there a little while longer, and then I think we end just a little after 1 o'clock. So we definitely want to do some neat things. The Rocketry Club behind me over here, they're going to be launching the big Saturn V for us. This year is the 50th anniversary of man's first walk on that celestial neighbor, the moon. So it's quite fitting to launch the Saturn V rocket today. So they're going to be doing a countdown. When they start the countdown, you need to help them out because they need to know and hear when to launch that big rocket. Can you guys do that for me?
Yes!
So I think...
4, 3, 2, 1!
Oh no!
Five, 4, come Mikkel. Oh! Come here. Oh, there you go. Yeah! Spider-Man, Spider-Man. Spider-Man does whatever a spider can. Makes a web any size, catches thieves just like us. Look out! Here comes Spider-Man. Guys, look out! Here comes Spider-Man. Spider-Man, Spider-Man, friendly neighborhood Spider-Man. Wealth and fame, his ignored action is his reward. Look out!
Here comes a Spider-Man.
Spider-Man, Spider-Man, does whatever a spider can. Spins a web any size, catches thieves just like...
What's that?